If you're looking to put a leveling kit on your truck or a lift kit, there's a few things that you need to take into consideration. Trucks want to be lifted and trucks need to be lifted. Lots of people are doing it to give the truck the aggressive look that it deserves. Before you lift your truck, you want to make sure you got the right application, the right lift for whatever you're doing and wherever you're going. A leveling kit is basically for those who want their extra ground clearance, the bigger tire for more aggressive look in case you just need to go off-road. The people that need a leveling kit are going to be people who work out of their trucks, they're always in and they're always on the road. They're not really off-roading in the mud or not really going into harsh terrain. You want to make sure that you got the right leveling kit because you don't want to lose the ride quality. A lift kit will definitely turn your truck into that dream monster truck that you always wanted. Your lift kit will give you the ground clearance that you want, the ground clearance that you need. You run a bigger, more aggressive tire. You can go a lot more places you couldn't go before. The kind of person that would need a lift kit would be the person that's always off-roading, maybe lives on a farm, has a bad dirt road they live on. Definitely for your avid off-roader for sure. Knowing where you're going and what you're doing is important to help me choose the right kit for your vehicle. I want your truck to look good, ride good, and be safe on the road. So come see me, Lance, at Tough Trucking.